Welcome back to Education Conference Live. Our interviews here are flowing. We've had some engaging speakers and amazing sessions so far. And up next, we are here with John Paganini. Now, you are the experience catalyst for IT Directions Wisdom Realized. Thank you for joining us.
Great, thank you for having me.
Awesome. So you have a session coming up here about using technologies to build fan club. So let's talk about how technology such as the Internet of Things can really amplify that conference experience.
Thank you. Yes, it's very exciting what's going on in the industry today. Technology, as you know, is emerging. Many things are going on. So when we talk about the Internet of Things, we're talking about not only a device that is connected to the Internet, but the information that travels back and forth on that device. So it could be your mobile device, it could be your smartwatch, whatever it is. So all of these technologies are emerging now, such as artificial intelligence. So we're looking at how to use artificial intelligence within an event to really engage the speakers along with the attendees, and there's a lot of benefits in there also for the event strategists themselves, including the sponsors. So there's a lot of technologies emerging, even blockchain and Bitcoin and robots, virtual reality, augmented reality. All of these are enhancing the experience for the attendees.
So some of which we're just scratching the surface on really right now,
Yes.
and then really learning about them going forward. So, tell us about the continuous impact learning platform, because this is a bit newer, right?
Yeah, so I'm glad you asked about the Internet of Things first, because what we've done is we've incorporated the IoT, the Internet of Things, into our methodology. So our methodology is called continuous impact learning, and that really is using IoT to help engage the attendees, the speakers, the sponsors, and the event strategists at the very beginning of the stages of this learning experience, and then during the event itself, and then post-event. All of these learnings combine together to create a new knowledge, if you will, about how do we apply what we just learned and take that and actually add innovation to it. So the continuous impact learning platform has about 7 different phases: discovery, and in that you might use big data as part of that discovery process. What's disrupting the industry today? What should we be talking about at our conferences? And then it goes down the line to seven other different phases.
And those phases you'll be talking about in your session, which is, so we're getting a little teaser here.
Yeah.
Now, why is this important for the business events?
Well, if you use this continuous impact learning, you can incorporate building a fan club into that whole process and methodology. So it gets exciting because if you think about it, people like to be part of a tribe, if you will. So maybe you're a sports fan, or it could be any group that you're a part of. But when you start to demonstrate passion and commitment, you become a fan of whatever it is that you're doing. And so our objective is to really use this methodology to build a fan club for your events, so that they continuously come back and they stay with you, year round, and it's a 365-day learning experience.
I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, John. Fantastic information. And, you can watch his session to take away the 7 tips
Thank
right
you.
there. Thank you.
Thank you.